Hello everyone, let us test two propositions. So here the question is, a sample of 200 observations from the first population indicated that x1 is 170. A sample of 150 observations from the second population indicated that x2 is 110. Use the 0.05 significance level to test the hypothesis. Now, in order to test this, we need to carry out the following steps. The first step is state the hypothesis. Second is compute the full proposition. Third is compute the value of the test statistic. And fourth is what is your decision regarding the null hypothesis. So let's first set the hypothesis. Here we need to test the propositions. So each knot P1 equals to P2, that is proposition 1 is equals to proposition 2 versus each one P1 is not equals to P2. Now find P1 and P2. Here P1 is equals to x1 by n1 and P2 equals to x2 by n2. So P1 is equals to x1, that is 170, and n1 is 200. So 170 by 200 will give you 0.85, and x2 by n2 is equals to 110 by 150. So P2 is equals to 110 by 150 is equals to 0.73. Now find the pooled proportion. The pooled proportion P is given by P1 into N1 plus P2 into N2 by N1 plus N2. That will give you, that is equals to 0.85 into 200 plus 0.73 into 150 by 200 plus 150. That will give you the value as 0.8. So P is equal to 0.8. Now find the value of the test statistic. Now test statistic Z is equals to P1 minus P2 divided by root over of P into 1 minus P into 1 by N1 plus 1 by N2 is equals to P1 is 0.85 minus P2 0.73 by root over of P is 0.8 into 1 minus 0.8 into 1 by N1, that is 1 by 200 plus 1 by 150. So if we calculate this, we will get the value 2.78. So this is the value of the test statistic. Now find the critical value of Z. Critical value of Z is equals to plus minus Z 0.025. Since we need to test for the value alpha equals to 0.05, and this is a two-tail test, so z 0.05. So it's two-sided plus minus z 0.025, that gives the value plus minus 1.96. This is the value obtained from the z table, standard normal table. So now compare this value with this value. Now the absolute value of the test statistic is 2.78 and critical value is 1.96. So the absolute value of z calculated is greater than the critical value. Hence, the absolute value z calculated is greater than the absolute value of z critical. So 2.78 is greater than 1.96. Hence, we will reject the null hypothesis. So, the proportions are not equal. So, in this way, we can carry out the test for two proportions. Thank you.